Welcome back, students. So in the standard 7 book we are dealing about the formation of adjectives, or how are adjectives formed. So other things please go through very carefully, and now let us begin with the formation of adjectives. So there are no particular rules in general for forming adjectives. We know their adjectives are usually by what they do, their function in a sentence. However, some words have endings with, or which are also called suffixes, are typical types of adjectives. So a list of suffixes with a list of example is given in your book. We can also change the adjectives or form new adjectives by putting a prefix. Prefix means before. So the examples are given, like you put un before fair, so it becomes unfair. So here one thing you have to keep in mind is it changes the meaning of the adjectives. If I put an in before the active, it becomes inactive. If I put ir, it becomes responsible, becomes irresponsible. See, the meaning changes. Balance, if I put a prefix that is before the adjectives, the main adjective, it becomes imbalance. So meaning changes. Balance and imbalance. Ill, legal, illegal. So the meaning changes. So this has to be kept in mind. There are a few extra information given in your book. Adjectives ending in ik or ical often have different meanings. Like for example, the economic policy of this government has failed. So here we are talking about the policy, economic policy. Here the meaning is different, and I see economy is the adjective. When you add a suffix ic, it becomes economic, whose meaning is different than economy. A diesel car is usually more economical. So you see ICAL is added over here, but the meaning changes. So the suffix ICL has been added. More examples have been given: hero, heroic, wind, windy, the suffix is D. Beauty, Y has been removed, I, FUL. I have told you when I was dealing with formation of degrees, I have told you how Y changes into a I and then there is a suffix. So it can also change the verb as read to readable, use to useful, pollute to polluting with the ing, likeable with the able suffix, read readable with an able, use useful with a ul suffix. So these are the few examples. If you look here, the suffixes can be able, ible, al, ial, ful, ic, ical, ish, ive, less, eous, ious, ous, with example given of the word, which you have to memorize and keep it in your mind with continuous practice. Why over here? Angry, anger, angry, busy, wealthy and windy. More such informations are given. Some words ending in li can be both adjective and adverb. Very important, which can confuse you. So one thing that you have to keep in mind is adjective shall follow with a noun or a pronoun, and adverb can stand on its, it will add more meaning to the verb. And those words can be daily, hourly, monthly, weekly, nightly and yearly. Then comes your word. Some words ending in ill are only adjectives and not adverbs. So such kind of verbs are also there, so which you have to keep in mind. I have talked about prefixes. Let me just go through this whole chapter deals. There are more examples on more suffixes like ing, ed. So just go through these words. Annoy becomes annoying, amaze becomes amazing, boil becomes boiling with a suffix ing everywhere added. So bore becomes, here the ed forms are added. The suffixes bored, packed, smoked, made. Hand make becomes made, cook becomes cooked, excite become excited. See this comparative degree which I have told you earlier. Then we have to talk about more adjectives dealing with ing and ed. So just go through these examples. To make things easier for you, I have made this list with a few examples that these are the suffixes. Al, usual, manual, ick, heroic, scientific, horrific, ing, singing, dancing, us, courageous, magnanimous, al, dismal, if, passive, massive, active, alternative, in, bovine, supine, ant, pleasant, ent, obedient. So see, obey becomes dient, full becomes dread becomes dreadful, careful, ish, childish, British, Irish, foolish, able, terrible. These are the suffixes. When you add these words to the main adjectives, which can be a noun or a verb, it will become you will be able to form the adjectives. The formations will happen. Miserable, IAL, proverbial, less, unless, or triangular. So a few words here and there are removed, and you see. So please children, go through this chapter very very carefully. I have tried to go through deal with every aspect so that you don't forget the earlier aspects and get confused. Please go through your chapter carefully and try to solve the exercises. Thank you.